Welcome to my channel, Learning Hub with Aunty Fatimah. This is a space where you get to speak, read, and excel.
Smile so bright and hearts that play love Fun Phonics the Aunty Fatimah way.
Little genius, welcome to the first series of Fun Phonics with Aunty Fatimah. Today, we're meeting our first group of sound friends. And these are the special sounds that help us read and spell lots of words. Are you ready? Come and say hello to our sound team. 6 lovely sounds. S, z, a, ts, ts, e, p, p. And we'll learn each one after. So, get your lips ready, your ears open, and your bright little genius smile on. Pound. Can you hear it? Now let's say it together. Example, sun, socks. Now let's try to blend it. Eat.
Says the snake, slime, slither, slither, make storms, with your mug, eagle the.
The next sound is ah. Say it with me. Ah. That's the sound you make when you see an apple or when an ant crawls on you. Now listen for it in words. Apple, cat, bag. Now let's try out some blending. Ah, ants, map.
Apple juicy and red, reach up high, then nod your head. Pretend to pick an apple, now munch it.
Now let's learn the t sound. Say it. Tap your tongue behind your teeth. We hear it in words like ta, talk. Now let's have some blending. Ta, tin. Brilliant work, little genius.
He says tap, tap, tap on your knee. Stomp your feet, come dance with Weekly.
And that's the sound in insect and igloo. Now listen to it in words examples such as pick, sit, lip. Now it's time for blending. Let's try out some blending. Eat, seed, eaten, pin.
I says insect, itty bitty fly. Buzz it gently, don't let it by. Wiggle your fingers and blink your eye.
Here comes the sound p. Say it, p. Puff out the hair as I say it, p. It's in words like pen, pig, pot. Now let's try out some blending. P, pan, p, p. Perfect, little genius. You're puff brilliant.
The sound don't ever stop.
And our last sound for today is Say it softly through your nose. That's right. It's words like nails, net, nail, man. Now let's try out some blending as usual. Sun, pet. You did it.
Says net, catching bugs so neat. Wave your arms, don't miss a beat. Net, now take your seat.
Thanks for watching Learning Hub with Aunty Fatimah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class.